Okay, so this is the project for the Arbitrum about the hackathon of NYC Arbitrum Open House London online field-a-thon in the London Open House. So this is my project about the name is FlowState and the streaming extension for times 402 AI agents pay for services with continuous MNEE streams. Uh, One signature unlimited request. Okay, so we'll be going to demonstrate about this project. First of all, we can min 1000 MNEE. Okay, wait a second. Okay, as you can see in here, this is the transaction request, and you can hit to confirm to receive the 1000 WNEE. As you can see, that means successful, and the MNEE already added in here from 1000 to 2000. Okay, so we are going to create stream. I'll be send it to my another wallet. Okay, I'll be going to paste this address. I'll continue. How much amount that I could be transfer for the MNEE? For example, I want to transfer for 3 MNEE, and this is the duration for the stream, for how long it could be take time for the stream. It would be 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or going to custom. For this one, I would be like to use 1 hour. Going to start stream for 3MNE to get receive from my uh, from my wallet in here to my second wallet. Okay, spending cap requests. Okay, that's good. I want to confirm it. Wait for approving MNEE token. This is a second confirmation from my side to get believe that I want to transfer my 3MNE to my second wallet. Wait a second. Okay, I'll confirm that. Stream created. That's good. And you can see it in here that it will be countdown till 100%. And right now I will be going to log out and just change it to my second wallet, which is this one. Okay, will be connected my second wallet. First of all, I should be min this one too. Okay, and then I click on confirm. 1000 MNEE have been added in here. Okay, and this is my incoming stream. As you can see, will be increasing depending on how much MNEE that I will be catch it, you know. So I will be stop it till I will reach to the 1. I mean 0.1. Wait a second, and then yeah, I stop it and I want to withdraw it. This is the transaction request. There have been a review order before I do that, so I confirm that. Don't worry. And as you can see, the withdrawal complete. And wait, and yeah, it have been added in here that 1000.12 MNE has been added to my token balance. Okay, that's all about the stream. Then after that, I can go to the agent console. In here, I can see the agent that has been created by the back and FlowState agent like this. And this is the AI decision log. Good. And also, if you don't know about the documentation of FlowState, you can look at this documentation. Sorry, in here, and you can learn from this if you want to build it from your side. Okay, I have been summarized it all in here, like introduction, quick start, installation, overview, and anything else that you can build on your side. That's a good implementation for you to build it. Okay, so that's all about the FlowState. Thank you.